Hey everyone, Shawn here from theautomationschool.com, and recently somebody gave me a version 8 MER, which I restored here in version 9 using the application manager, and now I'm about to open it up for the first time. And as the application opens, a very strange error comes up. It says that the tag database for this project was not found. It's like, what is that? Well, this actual application, this MER that I restored, was created with version 10. And if you get even though it was a version 8 MER, if it's created with version 10, then in a previous version like version 9 or 8 or 8.2, you're going to have to install a patch to actually open these old MERs. Isn't that strange? There's something about version 10. When it creates an MER, it doesn't matter what version it is, when it creates an MER, for 9 or 8.2 or 8.0 or etc., it requires those older versions of Studio, if they're going to restore them, to have a patch. So you can find out more using the link on the screen, but the simple solution is just go get the patch roll-up for your version of FactoryTalk ViewStudio, install it, and then you won't see this error anymore. And with that, I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please give me a like and a thumbs up. And if you know anybody who would like to learn everything there is to know about the Panel View Plus, everything you need to know to get started, then tell them to check out my course over at theautomationschool.com, PVP Basics. And with that said, until next time, peace.